Hypervelocity Asteroid Intercept Vehicle, HAIV. In the depths of classified defense projects, where the line between science fiction and reality blurs, there exists a chilling initiative known as the Hypervelocity Asteroid Intercept Vehicle, HAIV. Officially, HAIV was presented as a theoretical concept aimed at deflecting or destroying potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs, that could threaten Earth. But beneath the surface, HAIV's true purpose may be far more sinister. A weaponized space platform capable of delivering kinetic energy strikes, or even nuclear payloads anywhere on Earth or beyond, with devastating precision. While the public narrative suggests that HAIV was developed as part of planetary defense efforts to safeguard humanity from extinction-level asteroid impacts, insiders and whistleblowers claim that HAIV was secretly repurposed as a covert space weapon, capable of deploying kinetic projectiles at hypersonic speeds to eliminate targets with surgical precision. If these allegations are true, HAIV may not be humanity's shield against cosmic threats. It may be the ultimate weapon of mass destruction, hidden in plain sight. The official narrative, HAIV as a planetary defense system. The official story of the Hypervelocity Asteroid Intercept Vehicle is rooted in the growing concern over asteroid impact threats, following high-profile events like the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion in 2013, and the growing realization that Earth is constantly at risk from potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs. HAIV was designed as a two-stage intercept system capable of neutralizing large asteroids by delivering nuclear or kinetic payloads directly to their surface or deep into their core. The theoretical concept proposed that HAIV would be launched on short notice if an asteroid was detected on a collision course with Earth. Upon reaching the target, HAIV would detonate a nuclear or kinetic device, either fragmenting the asteroid or altering its trajectory to prevent a catastrophic impact. Key elements of HAIV's publicly acknowledged mission include detecting and intercepting PHAs. HAIV would be equipped with advanced tracking and guidance systems capable of intercepting fast-moving asteroids on short notice. Delivering nuclear or kinetic payloads. Upon reaching its target, HAIV would deliver a high-impact payload to either fragment the asteroid or alter its trajectory. Minimizing damage to Earth. The system was designed to neutralize asteroid threats, with minimal risk of secondary debris reaching Earth. But while the concept of HAIV as a planetary defense system has been publicly acknowledged, insiders suggest that its true purpose extends far beyond protecting Earth from cosmic threats. The covert agenda. HAIV as a weaponized space platform. According to whistleblowers and classified documents, HAIV was secretly developed not just for planetary defense, but as a space-based weapons system capable of delivering devastating strikes against terrestrial and extraterrestrial targets. The system's ability to accelerate payloads to hypervelocity speeds made it the perfect candidate for a kinetic bombardment system, capable of delivering rods from God, tungsten rods or other high-density projectiles that could strike targets with the force of a nuclear bomb, but without radioactive fallout. HAIV's capabilities as a covert weapon include kinetic bombardment of earthly targets. HAIV could be deployed to deliver kinetic energy weapons, KEWs, striking ground-based targets with hypersonic projectiles traveling at Mach 20 or higher. These strikes could penetrate deep underground bunkers, obliterate fortified targets, and neutralize enemy installations with pinpoint precision. Neutralizing space-based threats. HAIV's advanced guidance systems allow it to track and destroy satellites, enemy space stations, and orbital assets, giving the United States an unprecedented ability to dominate space. Deep space, reconnaissance, and offense. Some insiders claim that HAIV is not limited to Earth-based targets, but is also capable of engaging unknown threats in deep space. With its hypersonic velocities and kinetic payloads, HAIV could be used to neutralize extraterrestrial threats, ensuring that Earth's defenses remain impenetrable. Anti-UFO defense system. Perhaps the most controversial claim about HAIV is that it was designed to counter potential threats from unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, and extraterrestrial craft. Given its ability to intercept high-speed objects in space and deliver lethal payloads, HAIV could potentially neutralize or disable alien craft operating within Earth's atmosphere or orbit. The design of HAIV, a dual-stage system with devastating potential. HAIV's design incorporates two primary stages that work in tandem to deliver its payload with unparalleled precision and speed. Stage 1, Kinetic Impact Vehicle, KIV. The first stage of HAIV consists of a kinetic impact vehicle, KIV, designed to penetrate the target's surface and create a crater, preparing the asteroid or target for the final strike. Stage 2, Nuclear or high-energy payload. The second stage carries either a nuclear payload or a high-energy kinetic device that detonates deep within the target, either shattering it completely or altering its trajectory with surgical precision. The entire system is capable of traveling at velocities exceeding Mach 20, making it impossible for enemy defense systems to intercept. By the time a target detects HAIV, it would already be too late to react. HAIV's real mission: weaponizing space for strategic dominance. If HAIV was truly repurposed as a covert weapons platform, its implications for global security and space militarization are profound. By weaponizing space under the guise of planetary defense, the United States may have established a dominant position in space warfare, capable of launching devastating first-strike capabilities against any adversary, terrestrial or otherwise. Potential strategic uses of HAIV include orbital control and space superiority. HAIV could be used to enforce dominance over Earth's orbit, preventing rival nations from establishing their own space platforms or interfering with U.S. operations. Preemptive strikes and deterrence. The system's ability to neutralize threats with minimal warning provides the United States with a preemptive strike capability that could deter adversaries from even contemplating hostile actions. Eliminating underground bunkers and hard targets. Kinetic bombardment from HAIV could penetrate deeply buried targets, eliminating underground command centers, missile silos, and fortified structures. Defense against extraterrestrial threats. HAIV may also serve as Earth's last line of defense against hostile extraterrestrial incursions, ensuring that any perceived threat can be neutralized before reaching Earth. The cover-up. Why HAIV's true purpose remains classified. If HAIV has indeed been weaponized for purposes beyond planetary defense, the need for secrecy becomes obvious. The existence of a space-based weapon capable of delivering kinetic strikes with nuclear-level force would destabilize global power structures, trigger an arms race in space, and lead to demands for international disarmament. Reasons for the cover-up include avoiding international backlash. Deploying a kinetic bombardment system in space would violate international treaties that prohibit the militarization of space, including the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. Preserving technological superiority, revealing HAIV's true capabilities, would eliminate the United States' technological advantage over adversaries, allowing rival nations to develop similar systems. Concealing extraterrestrial threats. If HAIV was developed to counter extraterrestrial activity, acknowledging its existence would force disclosure of contact with non-human civilizations, a truth that many governments are still not prepared to share with the public. The implications. Are we on the verge of space warfare? If the Hypervelocity Asteroid Intercept vehicle has indeed been repurposed as a covert space weapon, humanity may be standing on the precipice of a new era of space militarization and warfare. As global tensions rise and space becomes the next battlefield, the deployment of HAIV as a strategic space-based weapon could shift the balance of power in unprecedented ways. But the most unsettling question remains. Was HAIV ever truly about protecting Earth from asteroids, or has it always been a weapon, waiting silently in the shadows, ready to strike? As humanity ventures further into space, the truth about HAIV may eventually come to light. But by then, the militarization of space may already be an irreversible reality. And once that line is crossed, the fate of Earth, and perhaps the entire solar system, may hang in the balance.